Welcome to the step 2 of the solar system activity. As you can see here, the sun that you added in your previous step is already placed. And now we are going to start adding planets for our solar system. So we are going to first place the Earth planet. You will see there is a block here that says add the planet Earth at a distance of 15 units from the sun. So you can see there is this number line that marks the distance of a planet from the sun. So if you move far away, you can see that as you move far away, the distance from the sun increases. So we are going to place the sun at a distance of 15 units. So at this position from the sun. Okay. And then just like your previous step, you can make the Earth say something using this speech block. So let the Earth say, hello, I am the Earth for 4 seconds. Now all of these activities are going to happen when you click on the green play button. So let's click on this play button now and see what happens. So you see, I have the sun, I have the Earth, and both of them have those speech bubbles available. Now, if you want to view this game for a longer time, you can click on this keep playing button and you can watch the scene that you have built. Okay, and you can use the arrow keys to move around. Alright, now if you have clicked on keep playing, then you will see a next step button appear here, and you can click on this next step button to move to the next step.